Adobe Illustrator is a popular vector graphics editing software that allows you to create and edit stunning designs, illustrations, and graphics. While it can be used on a computer, many people prefer using a tablet for added flexibility and portability. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wacom CTL 4100 Intuos. Creatively engaging the digital ground, the Wacom CTL 4100 Intuos graphics drawing tablet features a new and commended design that is ideal for enhancing your designing process. Aside from a highly accurate pen, this tablet also lets you download a good number of free software. Whether you want to edit photos or graphics, this tablet features 2540 LPI as well as 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity with a very manageable work surface of 6x3.7, so that you can enjoy every second of it. Because the provided pen is battery-free, it is very convenient for those who tend to forget to charge their devices. It also has 2 customizable buttons that you can program according to your needs. Further functionality can be added to the tablet with 4 additional dedicated hotkeys to help you with your creative process. Contrary to other tablets which only support Windows and Mac OS, this tablet supports Android, making designing on any Android phone or tablet very easy. Number 2. Huion H420 USB. If you want something that's easy on the wallet, but guarantees smooth performance, the Huion H420 USB graphics drawing tablet might be the perfect choice for you. At only 4x2.23 compared to 10x6, it is compact and convenient to use. With a line per inch of 4000, it is very accurate. Combining 200 RPS and 2048 level pressure sensitivity, this tablet shines for any Illustrator project. Despite being a cheap drawing tablet with screen, its components are constructed differently as it has a stylish pen and a middle button that lets you scroll. Also, it is a little more comfortable to hold since the rubber grip surrounds the holding area of the pen. Aside from this tablet has 3 express keys that can be used to close or save current page. This tablet is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, so you won't need to install additional driver. Overall, the Huion H420 USB graphics drawing tablet is a great option for your Illustrator designing needs within a very manageable price. Number 3. UGEE M708 tablet. Feel the pleasure of drawing on paper with UGEE M708 graphic drawing tablet's 10x6 paper-like surface area, offering you smooth and perfect drawings with no lag. This tablet boasts an LPI of 5080, ideal for extremely detailed projects in which a small mistake could be clearly visible. In addition, 266 RPS report rate, as well as 8192 pen pressure sensitivity levels make your drawing task fun to experience. Besides, what's the use of a drawing tablet if the pen is not good? So the team chose the best battery-free drawing pen to go with this tablet. Its digital pen features 8 nibs and 1 removal tool to make the drawing experience realistic. Having an 8192 level of pressure sensitivity along with a one-click eraser functionality, it simplifies things. Moreover, you get 8 hotkeys for a convenient user interface. Number 4. XP Pen Star 06 Wireless 2.4G. Draw seamlessly without any use of wire with the XP Pen Star 06 Wireless 2.4G graphics drawing tablet, an innovative drawing tool that lets you connect with Wi-Fi seamlessly. Just plug in the 2.4 USB receiver into your computer and you're good to go. Having an LPI of 5080, this 10x6 tablet allows you to create beautifully smooth patterns by automatically correcting lines. It also features 8192 pressure levels which make it easy to paint naturally. It boasts a 16-hour lithium battery, making it wireless and portable. Even if you just plug it in for 2 hours, the charging bar will reach full charge. Additionally, this tablet includes a dial enabling you to access frequently used shortcut keys as well as additional touch-sensitive keys for enhanced versatility. The pen stand has a pen tip replacement tool built right in so that changing pens is a breeze. Don't worry if you have multiple OS devices, this supports Windows, Mac OS X and Linux. Plus, apart from Adobe Illustrator, You can use the XP Pen Star 06 to run other applications like Photoshop, Painter, Clip Studio, etc.